ओके 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 शुरू कर दें हैं
Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Probably you are well at home. Today I'll discuss about speech. You know that last two classes I discussed about speech from assertive sentence and next day I discussed from imperative sentence. Today I'll discuss about interrogative sentence. So, look at the board. My dear students, I have written speech or narration, interrogative sentence, class 8, subject English second paper. Here I have written two examples. Direct speech, teacher said to the student, do you study regularly? Indirect, it is the answer of the direct speech. Teacher asked the student if he studied regularly. My dear student, you know that there has 5 points to change in speech from direct to indirect. Number 1, recording verb. Here you follow. Recording verb has written in direct speech said to. Against of said to, indirect speech have used asked. So for interrogative sentence, said or said to will be changed into asked. Next, listener. At first speaker, next listener. Then the items comma inverted comma. You know that for comma inverted comma in interrogative sentence we will use if or whether. I have used here with if. Next, subject of speech, subject of reported speech. You know that you is the second person, so it will follow the object of the reporting verb. So the students, its pronoun is he. Study. Next, tense change. Study present form. Here written study. Regularly, it has no change. Regularly will set here. My dear students, follow the structure for interrogative indirect speech. At first, we will use speaker, that means the subject. Next, ask. That means reporting verb change, reporting verb change. Next, we will set up listener, that means object of reporting verb. And then we will add two parts, against comma inverted comma if. Then the subject of reporting is here he, plus change of tense from the speech, tense change, and change of person if there has any, plus time or place if shown in the direct speech. My dear students, I am writing another sentence. Direct. I say to my friend, have you drawn a picture? Is another example of interrogative sentence. I say to my friend, have you drawn a picture? Now I am solving it following the structure of interrogative sentence. Structure of interrogative speech. Indirect speech. I asked my friend if my friend, that means you here subject and you mention object of reporting verb my friend. So my friends, you is a pronoun, so we use against of my friend pronoun he or she. You may use he or she because here has no mention of gender, so nothing prevalent. If you use she, nothing prevalent. Have drawn, you have drawn. At first you will say the sentence from interrogative to assertive. For assertive, you will set up at first subject, then verb, then another form of verb, and object and exchange verb. So, if I arrange it assertive, you have drawn a picture. It is a present perfect tense. So, it will change into past perfect tense. You know well, because last two classes I discussed, and always I discuss tense form. So the tense will be changed into if present tense, then it will change into corresponding past tense. Here corresponding I discussed from present individual tense you will change into past individual tense. From past present continuous you will change into past continuous. From present perfect you will change into past perfect. In this, so here the sentence is present perfect. So I am written it past perfect. I have written it in past perfect. It is a easy method of changing speech or narration. So you will practice minimum 10 sentences at home. Now I will discuss another portion of interrogative sentence. It is called W odd sentence. So for W odd sentence we have some specific points. My dear students, if there are any W is odd in the reported speech, for example, I am writing W is odd. W is odd. W is odd in the speech. W is odd in the speech. Example, direct. He said to me, why? Are you gossiping? Why are you waiting? Here. He said to me, why are you waiting here? My dear students, follow. In the reported speech, here are used why. W is what? Why is a W is what? So for W is what, we have some changes like it. If there has any W is what, you will need not use if for joining two parts. I am solving it again. Indirect. He asked me for follow the board. Previous example, I used if against of comma inverted comma, but here I don't have to use if or without because of WH word. If there is any WH word in the reported speech, you need not use if or without for joining the two parts. So next you will follow the following changing item. Here subject you will use every interrogative sentence, every imperative sentence, every operative sentence you will change into a statement or assertive. So you means here me objective case you follow me. So against of me its subjective case me and its objective case I was waiting there. My dear students, follow the example. I have changed why I have not used it. It is change of person. Was writing, it is change of tense. It is present continuous, so I have used past continuous according to the rule. Here it is a place indicating what. So I have used here, I have used here, against of here. It is a farthest word, it is not nearest word. So against of nearest word, we will use farthest word. It is easy, okay? My dear students, I give you some homework now. So for homework, you will open your textbook and the item of speech, especially interrogative sentence. There has minimum 20 sentence in the exercise part. So you will solve it at home, and next class I will solve your question or any problem. Okay, thank you.